Hello everyone. Being a legal professional includes a lot of documentation, information processing, storage, retrieval, confidentiality, etc. Learning this technological skill is not only important but also professionally necessary. Keeping all these things in mind, Indian Institute of Industrial and Professional Studies has curated a special course to suit the needs of the legal professionals. This course is titled as Advanced Certificate Course in Microsoft Tools for Legal Professionals. So, in this course, you will be taught all about the Microsoft tools, that is Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Publisher, Access, OneNote, and other related ones to the legal professionals. In this video, I'll be taking you a demo session of how we will be teaching you all these courses. That is all this topic. So going ahead, in this video, I will be teaching you how to format a legal notice in an easy and quick way. So without any delay, let's get started. The practical demonstration of how it has to be done. To start with, the first important point that we have to keep in our mind is legal notice is always sent in the letterhead of the advocate. So now, if you don't have your letterhead ready-made, that is printed one, so let us make a letterhead of your own. Here, first thing we have to do is come into Insert. Here, click on this header, and you can choose the option that you want to. Okay, so I'll be choosing the first one, type here. Then here, I'll be erasing this, and then I'll be coming into Insert. And then I'll be inserting a table of 3 columns. Okay, I'm so sorry, 3 rows. So here I'll be putting up the name of the first advocate, advocate 1, with address, email, phone number, and other details which are required to be put up in the legal letterhead. And then if you have one more partner, then I'm going to put up the advocate number 2's name and address and other details. Or else you can make up your creativity. If you are an individual advocate, then you can have your name on this side, and on this side you can have your details like address and other things. Now here I have the center column. Then again I'll go back to Insert here, and then I'm going to click on this online pictures. From here I'll be selecting the advocate logo. Now, if you have a logo of your own, then you can use it. I'm here using the general advocate logo, so I have selected it. Yes, and now I'll be reducing the size of it. So I'm making it to the size that I want to. So yes, this is the size that I require. Control E. Okay, so now here you can align it to the sides you want. If you want it to center, if you want it to the right, left, and all other things. So you can align it accordingly. And now if you have any taglines for your law firm, you can mention it here. Now I have made it a central alignment. And yes, so here if you want to use any color, then you can go ahead. I'm using black. I'm retaining black. So yes, now I'm done with my letterhead. So here I'll be putting up my email ID. That is test@gmail.com, making it Control E. Now my footer is so big, I'm reducing the size of it. Yes. So yes, I'm done with the letterhead. Now let us start drafting the notice. The first thing that is put up in the notice is a reference number as well as the date. Again, before that I forgot to tell, let us remove this borders. So I'll come here in the home and I'll go for the borders and no borders. Okay, so here I'll select no borders for all. So there are no borders and I'm done. Now again, I'll insert another table with 2 and I'll put up reference number here. And then date here. So yes. And then again, I'll go back to home and I'll remove the borders. So if I select all, then my borders will be removed. And then here it will be heading, legal notice. So yeah, so these are the shortcuts which we'll be eventually learning, and then will be the body of the legal notice. Next, the last thing that I'm going to teach in this video is insertion of the signature. So here to the right side, I have either it is right side or left side. So I have taken here the right side. So now I've written here advocate, and now I'll be inserting the signature. So I'll go to insert. Sorry. So yes, now I have the signature here. Yes. So now I have the signature here. Now I have to remove the background of the signature. So what I'll do is, like, this picture is selected. I'll come to format thing, remove background, and this is how it is selected. So I'll make it large. Okay, so everything is done. So let me see how much it is there. Yes. So and now again I'll crop this image. Don't crop it much because it will reduce the clarity of the image. Now you can have this background removed. So why it is important to remove background? Because this image was having the clear background, but if there is no clear background, then it may cause it may not look so professional, and it will be very evident that yes, this was inserted, and it does not look good. So to avoid it, always remove the background. Let me show you in one more video. So I'm here. So here to insert signature, I'll be, as I don't have another one in the downloaded section, so I'll be going to the online pictures, and I'll be taking up with the signature, a random signature of any person. So let me choose the ones without the clear background. Okay, so yes, yeah. So I think this is better. So I'm going to download this. Yeah, so I have this one here. So now here I'll go to the remove background, and I'll extend it because it has not covered the entire signature. So it is there. And yes, let me go for the keep changes. Yes, now whatever I wanted, it has been retained. And now I can see that this particular line is not there. So as you can see here, this line is missing. So some parts are missing. Let me get back all of them. Let me go here. Let me enlarge it and again enlarge it. Okay, so this particular line was missing. So I'll be taking this mark areas to keep. I'm going to mark this particular area. Okay, so I have asked to retain this. I think this one. Okay, so keep changes. Yes. So now here you can see that the background is clear, and I have retained whatever I wanted. Okay, so this way I can, yes. Yes, so this is how I have the perfect signature, and my legal notice is ready to be printed. So I've done Control P, and see, you can see how organized and how easily and how quickly I have formatted this particular legal notice. And to learn more these kind of techniques, please do look into our course details, which is mentioned in the description. And also you can contact us for more details related to this course via the WhatsApp number mentioned below. Thank you for watching the video.